Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Dumpling Cookbook is probably one of the most exciting culinary adventures you can embark on. Dumplings, those pockets of deliciousness, come in countless forms and flavors, representing diverse cultures and traditions. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dumpling cookbooks, exploring the best guides to help you master the art of making these delightful treats at home. Number 5. Dumplings and Noodles, 70+ Modern Recipes. This book unveils the secrets to crafting delicious dumplings and noodles right in your own kitchen. It offers a modern approach to classic recipes, making them accessible and enjoyable for home cooks. Explore a diverse collection of over 70 recipes, each carefully curated to inspire your culinary adventures. From traditional favorites to innovative creations, there's something for every palate. Designed with the home cook in mind, this book provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It empowers you to master the techniques and create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Each recipe is accompanied by easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. You'll learn how to make everything from the dough to the fillings, ensuring success every time. With this book, you'll elevate your cooking skills and impress your friends and family. It's a culinary journey that will transform the way you approach dumplings and noodles. What we like. This cookbook offers over 70 modern dumpling and noodle recipes. It's designed specifically for the home cook, making complex dishes accessible. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide with a wide variety of recipes to expand your culinary skills, this is the one for you. What people say. This book is a great guide to make all your favorites from scratch, or if you just want the recipes, the author provides alternatives for making the noodles dumplings from scratch, with helpful photos to demonstrate the more technical parts. With this book you get a list of 6 or 7 things to get, and that makes 90% of every recipe. The book is easy to follow, and once you have the basics down, as far as dumpling dough or noodles, then you're free to experiment with different fillings and tastes. Number 4. Let's Make Dumplings, a comic book cookbook. Today, we're diving into the world of dumplings with this fun cookbook. It's a comic book, so it's easy to follow along and learn how to make delicious dumplings. This book is perfect for beginners. It breaks down the dumpling making process step by step, making it simple and enjoyable for everyone. The illustrations make it engaging and the recipes are easy to understand. You'll be making dumplings like a pro in no time. It includes various recipes, from classic to creative. The book provides all the instructions you need to make a variety of tasty dumplings. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new dumpling skills. This cookbook is a fun and accessible way to learn a new culinary skill. What we like. This cookbook uses a comic book format to teach you how to make dumplings. The illustrations make the steps easy to follow and understand. If you are a visual learner or want to get your kids involved in cooking, it's a fantastic choice. What people say. The presentation of techniques is solid and easy to follow. The recipes are good. Easy to follow, fairly simple ingredients, those that are more exotic, are inexpensive. The illustrations do a nice job of highlighting what various steps look like. This was so helpful as I got engrossed in making dumplings. Another highlight of the book is the explanation of various dumplings and styles, as well as a helpful glossary of the ingredients needed for each dish. This book is detailed and super easy to navigate. Number 3. Dumplings All Day Wong, Asian Delights Cookbook. This cookbook, by a top chef, is your guide to the world of Asian cuisine. It's filled with delicious recipes, perfect for any home cook looking to explore new flavors. The book focuses on dumplings, but it also includes a variety of other Asian dishes. You'll find everything from appetizers to main courses, all explained in easy-to-follow steps. Inside, you'll find a wealth of knowledge and techniques from a culinary expert. It's a great resource for both beginners and experienced cooks. The author shares their passion and expertise, making it easy to recreate authentic Asian flavors at home. This book is a must-have for anyone who loves Asian food. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey through Asia. This cookbook will inspire you to try new things and create unforgettable meals. It is a great addition to any kitchen. What we like. This cookbook features Asian delights from a top chef. It elevates your dumpling game with professional recipes. If you like authentic Asian flavors and want to impress your guests, you should consider this. What people say. The dough recipes, illustrative photos, and dumplings themselves are all great. I love how it's written, I love the recipes, I love the pictures and the descriptions. The instructions and extra information included make this cookbook a must for beginners and seasoned dumpling makers alike. Number 2. A book about dumplings. This book is a culinary journey into the delicious world of dumplings. It explores various types, from steamed to fried, and provides insights into their rich history and cultural significance. Inside, you'll find recipes and stories about dumplings from around the globe. It covers everything from the classic Chinese dumplings to the unique variations found in different cultures. The book offers step-by-step instructions and tips for making dumplings at home. It guides you through the process, ensuring you can create perfect dumplings every time. It features a wide range of recipes, catering to different tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you'll find something to enjoy. This book is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of dumpling making. It's a celebration of this beloved food, offering a delightful experience for all dumpling enthusiasts. What we like. This is a book solely about dumplings. It provides a focused and straightforward approach to dumpling making. If you are a beginner and want a no-frills guide to master the basics, it's perfect. What people say. Easy to make, clear recipes from the basic to the more unusual. This is really where the book excels. My faves are the Swiss chard W black fungus dumplings, scallop and ginger dumplings, and roasted eggplant dumplings, each W full-page color picture of finished dumplings. The recipes are super solid, with great pointers and clear directions. Every recipe has a picture, even the sauces. The recipes are delicious and the instruction is easy to follow. Number 1. Dumpling Galaxy Cookbook. This cookbook is your passport to a galaxy of delicious dumplings. It's filled with recipes from around the world, offering a culinary adventure for every taste. Inside, you'll find authentic recipes that have been perfected over generations. The book provides clear instructions, making it easy to create these culinary delights in your own kitchen. Discover a wide variety of dumpling types, from classic steamed buns to exotic fried dumplings. This book will guide you through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. The book features step-by-step instructions and beautiful photography. It makes the cooking process simple and enjoyable, even for beginners. With this cookbook, you'll learn the secrets to making amazing dumplings. It's a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and explore new flavors. What we like. This cookbook offers a galaxy of dumpling recipes. It provides creative and unique dumpling ideas. If you are looking for innovative recipes and want to explore beyond the traditional, you should definitely check it out. What people say. The recipes are well written, easy to understand, and in many cases illustrated in a series of how-to photographs. I've made several recipes and enjoy the book and the inspirational ingredient combinations. The recipes are not complicated and nothing extraordinary. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.